Do you mind in long, long syne, when the summer days were fine, and the sun shone brighter far than it's ever been since syne? Do you mind the harbreak turn, for we cuddled in the burn, and were late for our school in the morning? Do you mind the miller's dam, when the frosty weather come? Oh, we slid upon the curler's rick and made their game a sham. When they chased us through the snow, we gaed like Berlin and all, but we did it out again in the morning. Do you mind the sunny breeze, for we gathered hips and sleeves, and we fell among the brummel bushes, tearing our cleaves, and for fear we would be seen, we gaed slipping hame ateen, but were licked for our pains in the morning. For our own little hearts knew that we're e'en sae fond and true. Aye, there's some hae left this troubled scene, but there's some aye struggling through, and there's some hae risen higher and can tell life's destiny, but they rose wi' the lark in the morning. Well, new life's sweet spring is past, and our autumn's come at last. Oh, our summer's day has passed away, and winter's coming fast. But though long the night may seem, we shall sleep wi' you to dream, till we walk in on yon bright summer's morning.